after all this time. Autant de temps passé. Why are these feelings still here? Maman de tête moins pour qui ça crème toujours lourd.
It's because I saw myself growing grey with her. Moi t'es when I marchais des grands moulins au jardin. I pictured her sitting quietly outside, wind moving gently through her hair, music drifting through the air.
While I watch from the kitchen window, preparing a drink, a simple forever wrapped in ordinary light.
Your vie simple, c'est ça me t'éveille.
Is this what you're afraid of?
Pour qui soit pas pour me fleurir.
You put me in to let that pretty flower blossom, only to tug it back to your roots. The moment I begin to pursue, ura vini, pour qu'à pousser ma lait.
Why invite the sun, then shutter every window? Pour qu'il s'ouvre le soleil, et puis ou ferme fenêtre tout. Lure me in with no room to speak, no space to understand. What are you so afraid of? The judgment that may come, or letting me in, knowing you can't hide.
Upe pumba weki yesu ye. If it's truly you in here, why lure me in? Si c'est non muka pale, pour qui ça ou gen cren.
You show me the garden, then you lock the gate. Ou comme espoir, et puis ou quitte nan noir.
Is it the cost of love you're not ready to pay?
Oh, soit c'est moi-même ou v'lais faire payer.
Letting me in, knowing you can't hide. Went till when you grow moon and sun, but you're afraid of the